for my own car, I actually bought a new extension that has been released by some of the players in the market. It's called Waiver of Betterment. If your car is more than 5 years old, okay, if you bring it back to the authorized brand workshop, for example, right, you may need to pay up to 10 to 15% for new spare parts if you met an accident, despite it's your fault or not. I can bring up the chart now and see just to share with you guys.
That'd be cool. Show us.
Yeah. Yep. Okay, it's up. Yeah. So if your car is below 5 years old, you don't need to pay anything to replace new parts. But if your car is 5 years and above, then let's just say you met an accident. Okay, your fault or not your fault. Okay, either party. Okay. And your repair bill comes up to be 10,000 ringgit. Okay, if your car is 5 years old, you will need to bear 1,500 ringgit to replace new spare parts for your car. And the rate will continue to increase as your car ages. So, like, there are a few companies that have this new extension. You need to pay up to 100 to 200 ringgit a year to buy back this extra fees that you have to pay if you meet an accident.
So essentially, is instead of paying the extra 15%, in a case of going into insurance, you pay an extra 100 to mitigate this extra cost.
Yes.
Something like that, month on month. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting.
It's a year.
So it's come again, sorry?
100 to 200 ringgit extra per year. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so just 100 to 200 extra per year, not per month. Okay.
Oh, per month. That's expensive.
Yeah, sorry guys. I don't own a car, so trying to engage in a conversation.
Hey, this is CS from More Money Malaysia. We are a platform dedicated to helping Malaysians like you make smart financial decisions. And the way we do that is through providing you with actionable advice, such as the video you just saw, right? But we're not here just to become your intellectual entertainment. We really do want to see you succeed, because we want to see you live that ultimate life that you've always dreamt of, right? And in order for us to do that, what we've decided to do is we want to help make it easier for you by providing different types of rewards throughout the months. So make sure you check out the description below, click on that link and see what type of reward you might be able to qualify for by taking action right now. And if you have any other questions about any of this, feel free to contact us wherever you find us. Take care.